Good evening students, myself Raghavendra Singh, I am from YepMaster. So I will be teaching you mathematics. So first class of 7th standard is International and Indian Numeration System. So first of all, before we start our class, I would like to tell you why is that we should opt YepMaster. So first of all, see in YepMaster, apart from your board syllabus, we are going to teach you foundation. Now you might be thinking, sir, with board only we are getting bugged up, sir. Why foundation? And my dream is to become a chef or a fashion designer, or else I want to become a chartered accountant. Why is that I should take your IIT foundation? So no ma, it is not that. IIT foundation is just a name. It is not that once a student is taking IIT foundation, he is gonna take admission into engineering and that too from IITian. No, the main concept of IIT foundation is like even though I want to become a chef, I need to do my hotel management from IHM, that is Indian Institute of Hotel Management, prestigious institution for hotel management. Or else I want to become a entrepreneur, business entrepreneur. I want to be a PGDBM from IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bombay. So for that I need to be perfect in mathematics, and at the same time I need to be perfect in reasoning ma. Now sir, now you might be thinking, sir, is it required that even though I become a doctor and if I am doing a MBA, is maths not going to leave me? No, don't start. No, it is not going to leave you. So please don't hate mathematics. Please, there are some concepts, easiest concepts by which you can remember things in a easiest way. So in YepMaster, we are going to teach you from the ground level, so that you can ingrain the subject. See, knowing the subject is like you're swimming across the channel. Like you should not have the knowledge of breadth, you should be having the in-depth knowledge of the subject. So as I've told you that throughout your life you are going to deal with mathematics, not that IIT level of mathematics. So you are going to deal mathematics as well as reasoning. So if even though I want to become a postman, so the postal department is going to test me in reasoning as well as my mathematics. So people want who are quick in calculations. So stop hating maths and trust me, with our program you will be having an in-depth knowledge of the basic concepts of mathematics, and there are many number of shortcut methods and easiest methods. And in YepMaster, in foundation course you are going to learn the subject by means of animations and at the same time PPTs. So your journey with YepMaster is going to be an interesting one. Please subscribe YepMaster. So today's class we are going to teach International and Indian place value system, that is Indian or else international numeration. So first of all, what is numeration to us? What is numeration? It is representing a number. Like, so today's topic, first I would like to give you some introduction about today's topic. So previous classes, it is number system. So in previous classes we have learnt the concepts of LCM, HCF, prime factorization, what is prime number, composite number, odd number, even number, etc., right? All those concepts will be recollected in this chapter. Don't worry, even though you are not having a minute knowledge of those topics, don't worry, I am there to help you out. So please pay attention for half an hour of your class. Trust me students, you are going to gain in-depth knowledge of the concept. So first of all, in our number system, as I've told you, we have learnt already the concepts of HCF, LCM, prime factorization, odd numbers, etc. So in this chapter we are going to deal in depth, and at the same time this chapter is going to be a recollection as well as revision part, and with in-depth knowledge, right? So first of all, what is numeration to us? A numeration is a way of representing, in simple language, is a way of representing a number in words, right? So we are having what ma? The method of expressing a number in words is called as numeration. That is what I have told you just now. So in this we are having two methods generally which we have come across right from the childhood, right? So what is the first one which we are familiar with? It is Indian place value system, right? Indian place value system, and at the same time international place value system, which we call, but it is, we can also call it as Indian place value numeration and international numeration, right? Now coming to the next slide, like how is that we can remember if suppose someone is asking me, sir, can you tell me how many numbers does a crore have and how many number of zeros in a 10 billion has, or else how many 100 millions are equivalent to thousands? Bugged up, right? Extremely bugged up. Arey, what is he talking about? If suppose someone is asking me how many zeros do you have in 1 lakh, so I need to write down what? I need to write down the place value chart. Yeah, this was the previous types of numerations, right? So as I have told you, like how many zeros are we having in 1 lakh? So this is the old method. I will be writing ones, tens, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. Now every time I cannot write like this, right? This is long method. Now suppose someone is asking me convert lakhs into billions, billions into lakhs. What is this? Always I cannot keep writing, right? So trust me students, for this method, to overcome this method, in YepMaster we have prepared a shortcut method. So see, this is the place value chart, right? So how come, like how many thousands are equivalent to 10 billions, 100 billions are equivalent to how many crores? So every time it is not possible for us to remember the number of zeros and conversion, right? This remembering this place value chart with number of zeros, difficult part, right? Now trust me students, the next coming slides and the coming topics throughout your life, you are not going to forget this. So first of all, easiest method of remembering, see previous slide we were having this one, right? Now first thing, 1 lakh is equivalent to 100,000, right? This thing we note, right? So easiest way of remembering this one, this table and this table with the number of zeros we need to remember, but how? So see here, one light healing touch. You can see the photograph of Mother Teresa. So who is Mother Teresa? She has done n number of seva karyakram, which we call in Hindi. So she has taken care of orphanages and she has many Christian missionaries run under Mother Teresa's organization. So remember this abbreviation, one light healing touch, donate them ₹5. So what has got one light healing touch to do with this Indian numeration system and at the international place value system? Like that is the doubt everyone will got, right? So see, one light, so it is equivalent to 1 lakh, and this one healing touch 100,000s, and number of zeros is what ma? 5. See, I'll come again, one light healing touch, one light healing touch. So remember Mother Teresa, so she has done, she has helped many people, right? So one light healing touch is the abbreviation which will help you out to remember that 1 lakh is equivalent to 100,000s, right? So first abbreviation was what ma? See, I keep repeating things, don't take it in other way. So one light healing touch is the abbreviation which tells you that 1 lakh is equivalent to 100,000s, right? And number of zeros are what? In 100,000s and as well as 1 lakh, it is 5. So now see, Mowgli. So what? The Legend of Mowgli cartoon starts at 6 o'clock. The legend, I repeat, the Legend of Mowgli, the Legend of Mowgli cartoon I have not written, the Legend of Mowgli cartoon, I used to see it. We in our childhood days it was Jungle Book, but you people remember this way, the Legend of Mowgli starts at 6 o'clock. So what does the legend mean to us? It is 10 lakh equivalent to 1 million, and the number of zeros is what ma? 6. So the Legend of Mowgli starts at 6 o'clock. So number of zeros are 6. The legend, it starts, it is for 10 lakh and 1 million. So the Legend of Mowgli starts at 6 o'clock. Okay, am I clear to you? Right, we will move on to the next slide. Now see, you can see Didi. Who is she? Didi. She is Mamata Banerjee and her party is Trinamool Congress, TMC, Trinamool Congress. So the next abbreviation is what ma? Trinamool Congress likes hockey. So if you are not going to remember this one, Didi will kick you with the stick. So Trinamool Congress likes hockey. So what? 10 million equal to 1 crore. 10 million equal to 1 crore, and the number of zeros are 7. See, hockey stick, if you are going to hold it 7 ulta, I mean to say, if you are making it reverse, so it is gonna be to be appeared as a hockey stick, right? See here, hockey stick, right? So the abbreviation is what, ma? Trinamool Congress likes hockey. Trinamool Congress likes hockey. So Trinamool, TN, 10 million is equivalent to 1 crore. Trinamool Congress likes hockey, right? And the number of zeros are what? Hockey stick. Hockey stick is nothing but a inverted 7. Hockey stick. Hockey stick, if you are going to make it 7, not inverted 7, if you are making to go reverse it, you are going to get 7, right? See, the hockey stick is revolving, right? So Trinamool Congress likes 7. So see here, we are done, right? So 10 million equal to 1 crore. So the next abbreviation, see, in our school days, many people must have heard this warning from our teachers, right? We are going to issue you TC. So the next abbreviation is headmaster gives TC at 8 o'clock. Don't worry, children. Now you might be getting a doubt that, sir, how is that we can remember these many number of abbreviations, sir? You are telling these many number of abbreviations. You have created it. Obviously, you will be remembering it. But how is that we will be remembering it? So trust me, students, don't get worried. I will be telling you one more easiest method of remembering these abbreviations. Please pay attention just for 1 second. So see here. So first abbreviation, we will recollect it. So first one was what, ma? It was One Light Healing Touch with donate them ₹5. Right? Mother Teresa. One Light Healing Touch, donate them ₹5. So 1 Light Healing Touch is what, ma? 1 lakh is equivalent to 100,000. 1 lakh and 100,000 are having how many zeros? 5. And the next one is what? The Legend of Mowgli. The Legend of Mowgli starts at 6 o'clock. So the legend, 10 lakh equivalent to 1 million. 10 lakh equivalent to 1 million, and the number of zeros which we are having in this are 6. It means what? It might be 10 lakh or 1 million. So the number of zeros in both 10 lakh as well as 1 million is 6, right? And see here, next one is what? Trinamool Congress likes hockey. So what? 10 million equivalent to 1 crore, and at the same time 10 million as well as 1 crore. We are going to have 7 zeros, children. So see here, Trinamool Congress likes hockey, which is nothing but 10 million equal to 1 crore. It is 7. Now comes the other one, 8. After, see, first thing 5, it was 5, right? 5, then 6, then 7. So for 5 what? One Light Healing Touch. And for 6 what, ma? The Legend of Mowgli starts at 6 o'clock. 7 what? Trinamool Congress likes hockey. Okay. Now comes the number 8. For 8 what? Headmaster gives TC at 8 o'clock. So see here, headmaster gives TC at 8 o'clock. So what does it mean to us? See, the child is being warned, take TC. This dialogue, common dialogue, I have heard many times in my childhood days. Teacher used to threaten me, I'll see to it you are getting TC. So see here, headmaster gives TC at 8 o'clock. So see, headmaster, 100 million equal to 10 crore, 8 o'clock. So number of zeros in both 100 million as well as 10 crore, 8. Simple, right? 100 million equal to 10 crore. Remembering this thing is difficult, right? So I have created an abbreviation like headmaster gives TC at 8 o'clock. So headmaster gives TC at 8 o'clock, and the number of zeros in 100 million as well as 10 crore, it is 8. Headmaster gives TC. So headmasters, what is headmaster? 100 million. And TC, 10 crore. Okay, 8. And one more thing is Hockey Club of Bengal, founded in 90s. Hockey Club of Bengal, founded in 90s. What does Hockey Club of Bengal mean to us? It is 100 crore of Bengal, 1 billion, founded in 90s, 9 zeros. So it means what? Hockey Club of Bengal, again hockey stick. See, Hockey Club of Bengal it means what? In 100 crore as well as 1 billion, we are going to have 9 zeros. Simple, right? Hockey Club of Bengal. Now comes the last part, like 10 o'clock TC to 10th boy. See how happy this person is feeling. 10th boy. Headmaster is telling 10 o'clock TC to 10th boy. Remove this fellow from the school. So happy. So he is going to join a college. So he is feeling happy. So 10 o'clock TC to 10th. See here. I have added a H here. Small h. So TC, it is going to come 3 times. So 10 o'clock TC to 10th boy. So this is what? 1000 crores. It was what? 10 crores first. Sorry, 10 crores TC, 10 crores, then 100 crores and thousands crores. So this is TH. So 1000 crore equal to 10 billion. And the number of zeros which we are having in this 1000 crores as well as 10 billion is what, ma? 10. So we'll come again. So first one 5. One light healing touch. Donate them rupees 5. So one light healing touch. And the 6, for the number 6, the legend of Mowgli starts at 6 o'clock. And 7, what, ma? Trinamool Congress likes hockey. And 8th one, what, ma? Headmaster gives TC at 8 o'clock. Now what? 9. 9 is what? Hockey Club of Bengal. Hockey Club of Bengal. So this is what I was telling you, right? Headmaster gives TC at 8 o'clock and Hockey Club of Bengal. Headmaster 100 million equivalent to 10 crore, which is headmaster gives TC at 8 o'clock. So simply telling blindly, you can tell. Now all of a sudden anyone can tell you how many number of zeros. By using this abbreviation I can tell 100 million, I am going to have 8 zeros by using this abbreviation. So it is headmasters gives TC at 8 o'clock and Hockey Club of Bengal founded in 90s. So now what? 10 o'clock TC to 10th boy. See how happy this person is feeling. So 10 o'clock TC to 10th boy. So number of zeros in 10 billion is 10 as well as 1000 crore is also 10. So number of zeros you can count here. Okay. Now comes the last part. See here, like we are having this TTD, Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, right? So instead of that one, TTC 10,000 crores, 10,000 crores, and HB pencil. See the HB pencil is dancing. So HB pencil costs us rupees 11. Now comes the doubt, sir. Abbreviation, sir. I cannot remember, sir. What is this, sir? You are showing me animations. It is colorful. It is right. Now don't get panicked. I'll tell you the easiest technique of remembering this one. So these were the abbreviations, right? First one was what? One light healing touch. Donate them rupees 5. The legend of Mowgli starts at 6 o'clock. And again what, ma? Trinamool Congress likes hockey. Now what? Hockey Club of Bengal. Headmaster gives TC at 8 o'clock. And then comes the Hockey Club of Bengal founded in 90s. Now what? 10 o'clock TC to 10th boy. And then TTC HB pencil rupees 11. Now is there any easiest method? Can you observe one logic here? See, Mother Teresa, Trinamool Congress and this Bengal. These 3 things belong to what? Bengal. Now see here. West Bengal, we are having Bangladesh. See, green flag. Bangladesh, and this is Bengal. This is our Bengal. Actually, the whole thing was Bengal. So this is West Bengal, and that is Bangladesh. So Bangladesh, we are not bothered. So West Bengal. So Mother Teresa belongs to West Bengal. One light healing touch. Donate them rupees 5. And then what? Trinamool Congress. Trinamool Congress is the ruling party in West Bengal. So Trinamool Congress likes hockey. And the other one is what? Hockey Club of Bengal. 3 done na here only. See, the previous slide was this one. Like one light healing touch. And then Trinamool Congress likes hockey, right? And then Hockey Club of Bengal. So 3 things among these abbreviations, 3 things are related to West Bengal. That is why I wanted to tell you. See, here we are having Bangladesh. Here Bengal. Done na? 3 things belong to Bengal. I can easily remember. Who are those 3 things? Trinamool Congress, Mamata Banerjee. If I am going to remember, Mamata Banerjee, then at once you should get a thought that Trinamool Congress, Mamata Banerjee belongs to Trinamool Congress and she likes hockey. Trinamool Congress likes hockey. And the other thing, Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa, what was the abbreviation for Mother Teresa? It is one light healing touch. Donate them rupees 5. And then what? Hockey Club of Bengal was founded in 90s, right? Three things done na. Now comes the other part of remembering the abbreviations. Now see here. Now see, what was the common thing which I was telling you? TC, TC, TC. Headmaster gives TC at 8 o'clock. 10 o'clock TC to 10th boy. See, TC. First three things were belonging to West Bengal. And this one is what ma? Headmaster gives TC to headmaster gives TC at 8 o'clock. 10 o'clock TC to 10th boy. Okay, 10 o'clock TC to 10th boy. See, that fellow was wearing spectacles, right? Happy he was. So headmaster gives, headmaster belongs to school. So headmaster gives TC at 8 o'clock and 10 o'clock TC to 10th boy. So two things remembered na, with the letter TC and headmaster. And the last one is Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. Instead of that, I have used TTC, HB pencil, rupees 11. Easy, right? Easy, right? So we will come again. So see here, three things belong to West Bengal. Three things belongs to West Bengal. And what are those? See, I am not looking at the board. Three things belongs to West Bengal. First person, Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa, what is the abbreviation which I need to remember? One Light, Healing Touch, donate them rupees 5. And the other one is what ma? 5 done na? 5 for that one. And the other one is Mamta Banerjee. See, remember two ladies. Who are they? It is Mother Teresa and as well as Mamta Banerjee. We call her Didi. So One Light, Healing Touch, donate them rupees 5. And Trinamool, Didi is very strict. Didi will give you with hockey stick. So Trinamool Congress likes hockey. Trinamool Congress is her party name. Okay. And the last one is what ma? West Bengal. We are done with Hockey Club of Bengal. Three things done na? Founded in 90s. So other thing is what? TC. With TC we are having two things. What are those two things? It is headmaster gives TC at 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock TC to 10th boy. Okay. Headmaster gives TC at 8 o'clock and 10 o'clock TC to 10th boy. And again see, TTC, TTD is being replaced with TTC, right? And HB pencil cost us rupees 11, right? Now we are done. So again we will try to recollect whatever concept I have told you, we will try to recollect that. See, okay, now how is that? I can recollect. See, first thing I was writing 5. We will write down 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then 11. So what was the 5? One light healing touch. One Light, Healing Touch. For 6 what? The Legend of Mowgli. The Legend of Mowgli. Starts at 6 o'clock. 7 what? Trinamool Congress. Trinamool Congress. See, this is lakh, 10 lakh. Trinamool Congress. So this TMC comes here. Trinamool Congress likes hockey. Now see here. Here on the right hand side I am taking international place value systems. Here Indian. Trinamool Congress likes hockey. Now 8. What does 8 mean to us? 8. Headmaster gives TC at 8 o'clock. Headmaster HM gives TC at 8 o'clock. 9 is what? Hockey Club of Bengal. Hockey Club means, what does Hockey Club mean to us? 100 crore. So write down here HC of Bengal. Okay. Now what? 10 o'clock TC to 10th boy. 10th boy, TH. Now what? TTD, Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. It is being replaced with TTC. So it is what ma? HB pencil cost rupees 11. Easy na? Easy na? I remembered na? That big chart. If someone is asking me how many zeros does 100 million have, so I will be recollecting 100 million. Where is this? I will be recollecting 100 million. Headmaster gives TC at 8 o'clock. Yeah, 8 o'clock. 100 millions has got 8 zeros. Khatam. Now anyone will ask me how many zeros does 10 billion have? No, I will be recollecting the abbreviation like 10 o'clock TC to 10th boy. 10 o'clock TC to 10th boy. Yeah, 10 billion has got 10 zeros. using these abbreviations I can make it, right? Now let us cross check. Yeah, One Light Healing Touch, The Legend of Mowgli at 6 o'clock. See, I have written na, headmaster gives TC. So see here, this abbreviations might be reverse order, but see here, you need to write down Indian place value system, and the international place value system. You need to make down happily, no tension, happily you can remember. See, if you are liking the video, please do like, subscribe YepMaster, and please share. Don't forget to share, right? Now see, we will be recollecting this one. See the other thing, same thing again. 5. I will write down 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So first one. What was it, ma? One Light Healing Touch. I will write down One Light. So here what? International. Here Indian. Okay. So One Light Healing Touch. Sixth one was what? The Legend of Mowgli. Starts at 6 o'clock. The Legend. 10 lakhs of Mowgli. Seventh one was what? 10 million. Sorry, Trinamool Congress likes hockey. So TMC. Eighth one is what, ma? Eighth one is what? It is nothing but headmaster gives TC at 8 o'clock. Now ninth one is what? Hockey Club of Bengal was founded in 90s. So hockey club, 100 crore equal to 1 billion. Okay. 10th one is what? 10 o'clock TC to 10th boy. So 10th boy, 10 billion TC, it is 10th. See, H important. Now what? TTC. TTC. This is HB. 100 billion. Easy, right? Easy, right? You have liked the video, right? So you will share with your friends and ask them to subscribe YepMaster, right? So let us solve a question here. How many thousands make a million? Sir, how many thousands make a million? What is this? Now see here. I have written these two, One Light Healing Touch and 10 lakh equal to 1 million equal to 6. So 1000. So in 1000, how many zeros am I having? 1, 2, 3. Million. To convert this 1000, so what is the question that they are asking? So in million, how many thousands are there? So for that I need to know how many zeros are there in 1 million, right? With the abbreviation, with the help of the abbreviation, The Legend of Mowgli. So this OM is going to help me out. So 1 million has got how many, ma? 1 million equal to, so see here, so it is nothing but 1000 thousands. 1000 makes 1 million, right? Easy, right? So see here, for your better understanding, I am making this one. So see here, 1000, that is what I have written, right? 1000 first I wrote, and then 1 million, 6 zeros are there. So I will strike off these 3 zeros and then 3 zeros. So it means what? If suppose one Indian has taken 1000 notes like this, then it will be equivalent to 1 million. So ma, you must have liked our video. Please do subscribe.